Alright, hey guys, we're here screwing around. Got the little 180 over here, little 180 CFX. We're out at the field messing around. We're having pretty steady, like 10, 12 mile an hour winds. So we're just screwing around, see what the real stuff you can do. If the cameraman wants to show the windsock over here, pretty much going straight out. So we're just here, we're going to mess around a little bit. We do have a little wind meter, so we were using that as well. That was getting us going. But we're just going to play around, see what we can do. Hopefully my cameraman will forgive him, because he is a plane guy, so we'll give him a pass on this one if he can't keep up. See? Yeah.
See Bob do an aileron roll?
Yeah. Alright, so let's see what this little guy's going to do in the wind force.
Watch him hit me.
Whoa! So it gets a little crazy here, but I got a lot of wobbling and shaking going on. I will say my tail has seen better days of maybe a few, shall we say, incidences into the ground. I'm very rough on this heli. I just like to have some fun with it, beat it around, see what I can do with it. I'm not the greatest pilot in the world, but we have some fun. Definitely keeps you working just in a hover. We got to lean the heli into the wind. And there's the wobble. Wobble is partly wind, partly a lot of worn out linkages. Linkages are cheap enough to replace. However, I just figure I'll just wait till I crash it next time, and then they'll get replaced when I break them. I don't worry too much about this heli. It's just fun. Whoa! Wind blowing it around there a little bit. Landing that's going to become interesting. Woo! Push me down a little bit. Making me work for it, that's for sure.
The cameraman almost took off.
Calm down, yeah, calm down a little bit there. This is a lot of fun. It gets you going, though, and you know, at least if you do a little bit of a crash, hey, it is what it is. A little windy inverted. Now, the hard part, let's see what we can do to... And that's everything, guys.
Say goodbye, Bob.
Goodbye, Bob. Bye, Bob.